Hi, my name is Nicole and I write for the website healthybalancediet.org.
Foods that relieve menstrual cramps. What are menstrual cramps? Menstrual cramps is characterized by aching cramps specifically at the lower abdomen and is usually noted before menstruation occurs. Doctors advise women who suffer from menstrual cramps to make changes in their diet as a means of prevention or treatment. Low salt foods. Foods that are low in salt or have no salt content should be eaten before and during the onset of a menstrual period. The reason for this is because salt is responsible for fluid retention and bloating, which eventually causes cramps. It would be best to go for fresh foods. Fish and flaxseed. One of the reasons why menstrual cramps occur is because of a chemical called prostaglandin, which causes uterine spasms. Foods that contain omega-3 fatty acids help in lowering the production of prostaglandin. An ideal amount of 3 to 4 ounces of omega-3 fatty acids, which we can obtain from fish such as tuna and salmon, can help in relieving menstrual cramps. Another good source of omega-3 fatty acids is fresh flaxseed. Grains, fruits, and vegetables. It would be best to eat them 2 weeks ahead of your period in order to avoid cramping. Apart from helping you feel relief from cramps, you will also get other health benefits such as fiber, which helps in constipation, which is also common in women with menstrual cramps. Vitamin C-rich foods. 1,500 milligrams each day of vitamin C is ideal. You can include vitamin C in your diet from citrus fruits, tomatoes, broccoli, and celery, to name a few. Peppermint. Peppermint contains antiviral properties that help in reducing stomach pain, indigestion, and even menstrual cramps. You may use it to relieve menstrual cramps by adding it to your food before your period starts, or if you wish, you may add in its leaves when drinking hot tea.
For more unhealthy diets and tips, visit us at www.healthybalancediet.org. Until the next video, thank you for watching.